It is currently October 24th, 7 a.m. Currently in a session. Let me just show you what's happening. Oh, by the way, here's the time. Jeez, come on, 7:07. Okay, so I went in. I had shorted here, which is 49, but market was coming down. I had shorted right below the VWAP, and I'm hoping that it goes all the way down to the previous low, which was here, and breaks the previous low. And I want to take my profit at 57.50. I want to write it out, but at the same time I want to keep my daily loss limit of 500, and I don't want to pass that. I accidentally went in with ES and I lost a little bit. I had shorted on ES when I was trying to short on MES, and I ended up losing a little bit of money. So it doesn't matter how much I lose, as long if I lose 500, I'm out. Doesn't matter how the trade goes. I feel like we gotta do a good risk management. Doesn't matter how the trade goes. If you lose a set amount you can afford to lose, then you call it a day. Then you say I'm out. And this is the only trade I'll take. If I make this trade good, I'm good. If I break this trade and make a loss, I'm done. I'm done for the day. I'm not gonna go in and over trade or revenge trade, whatever you wanna call it, right? So currently I'm negative 20. For the past 3 days, the market had a downtrend, and we were riding the downtrend. Today, market went a little up, but it's coming down again, and I have shorted again. I feel like it will break the lows from yesterday. So let's hope for the best, and I'll keep you updated. So only reason I'm a little bit optimistic is because the market had dropped more than 20 points. So 70 here, and this 50 dropped way more than 20 points. Close to, it's dancing around 27 points drop. But it could go back up, and that's another risk that I will have to take. Or it could just go back down. Then it will be beneficial for me. So this is the only reason I went in with MES, because it was already at a weird place, and I don't want to risk too much with the elections coming up. Market could go any place, and if I win, I win a little. If I lose, I lose a little. I just want to manage my risk. I feel like I've been having issues managing my risk, so this is all risk management. And if it goes down there, it goes down there, whether I have ES or MES. So I'll take a profit here at the bottom. I'm thinking it'll break 800, but it's almost 8 o'clock, and I don't know if it will. But the highest it went up today was 69, and it's at 49 right now. 20-point drop. It could go back up, and I'll end up going more negative. But let's hope for the best. So the market is going in my favor. Currently we are positive 150. I mean, it could bounce back too. We could be negative real quick. But we have a resistance at 40. If it breaks a resistance, it will go all the way down, most likely. And I'm hoping it does. Then we could be 500, maybe 600 profit. But let's see. Let's continue watching this. If it breaks 40, where's 41? Yeah, it broke 41, and it's going up. But I wanted to break or go past 38, then we will get a good confirmation. Until then, it's hard to decide. I mean, it could go back up again, but I'm willing to lose in MES 500 because I have a larger stop loss, and the way market was going up and down, I planned this. If I was in ES, I probably would have been stop lossed already, because I don't have much wiggle room with a 50K contract. So using MES today. So it came down, then it went back up. It scared the shit out of me. Then it came down again, and I don't know what's happening. But you know, either way, I'm in this. I got a stop loss set up there. I'm willing to take a loss because I have more wiggle room with MES contracts. I have no problem with that. It wants to go down, but it's just not going down. It keeps on coming down, but it goes back up. It keeps on coming down and goes back up. It's been below the VWAP, and I'm guessing if it goes down, it will go down within the next 15 to 20 minutes because this is the third time it came to test. Either it will go back all the way up or it's coming down. It's just a matter of time within this next 20-30 minutes. You really can't put a time frame, but based on this 3 previous tests, I feel like it's coming down. Yeah. Let's see what happens with this candle. The lowest it dropped was 39. If it drops like 38, 37, we are solid. 42. Maybe this is a good place to buy, you know, in case it goes up. But we in a trade, we're not switching sides now, because that's how you lose money. I started losing a lot of money. I'll just switch my trades and it'll go the opposite. You probably see that in the early videos. And now it's better risk management, and I'm holding on to my winnings. Some days I have a bad, you know, day, but if this continues, you'll see a video soon where I'll make anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 in one trade. Yeah, that will come through with this strategy. This is a new strategy I'm currently using, and I'm very confident in this. I feel like it's just a matter of time. Right now the market is so shaky with the elections. I really don't get a good way to test my strategy. But that's coming. I know it. It took me like 3-4 weeks to develop that, and I had to look at the data from the previous markets and days and everything. And I'm a rookie, so this could all just be a fluke. But data doesn't lie, you know, so my strategy is based on that. And yeah, let's see how this goes. So seems like there's a strong push. It could possibly break. I'm looking to take profit at 802 for mine, or even below. But for my friend's account, I'm gonna take profit at what is this? I can't see in there. 5825, just 20 points below the entry. If it was a ES, we would have had $1,500 in our friends. But again, market was so risky, is so risky. I wouldn't go in with ES. But yep. I'm hoping if it breaks, I want to catch it on the, you know, video. But let's see. The market met another resistance here. If you look in the charts here, it is resisting this line, whatever this line is. This line over here. This is at 37, 39. If it crosses over 35, then we should be good. Let's see what's happening in this one. It is almost set to cross over 35. It's not crossed over yet. But if it crosses 35, then we are looking to ride around 817-ish area. And it barely touched 30, 35. It barely touched it. It's at 3,500. It's not even properly 35 yet. Oh, I think it crossed. Yes, it did. All right, now it's time to set up our take profit margins. Let's see. We are at maybe the camera doesn't read it. 345 profit. Like I said, I want to see this play out, how it can play out. I'm not gonna exit out. Once I enter the market, I enter the market thinking I already lost the money, so I'm not gonna panic and exit out right away. Let it ride all the way down, or let it take away my profits. I have no problem with that. Let's see. So the market met another resistance. There are always resistance and support, you know. So there's a resistance here at 29. So if it crosses over 26, we should be good. But I'm not sure if it will, because, you know, this was a strong candle. It was a 20-point candle that dropped, you know. But let's take a look at let's take a look at this. Currently at $410 profit. And where's my, oh, did I exit out my profit? Okay, these things are here. Take profit. I'm gonna push this up. I should have sized up. I forgot to size up. Damn. Okay, it's coming back up. And now, since it's coming back up, this is gonna meet the other resistance here. So this is how you look. So now it's coming back up. Actually, there's no resistance for this guy. Shit. But it's fine. You know, like I said, we're gonna ride it up. At the most, we'll break even. It's totally okay. I'll bring my thing down. Now we're gonna chase it. We're gonna trap it in there. Either way it goes, we'll make profit. Not a problem. I'm expecting it to go to the yesterday's low, even lower from yesterday. That's my whole plan, that I'm expecting it to go. And the VWAP is supporting me. And VWAP is in a downward trend. But we don't know yet. Hey, let's see how this plays out. My friend's stop loss hit, take profit hit, sorry. He made roughly $200 today. And I'm still at the same place. I really don't care at this trade. I wanna see what the hell happens, you know. I reset my take profit here. I'll still make some money. I won't make as much if it goes down, but I really don't wanna, you know, just exit out when there's potential for it to drop more. Either way, it's a win-win scenario for me. I will walk away with, I don't know how much, maybe I think 200 if it hits this mark. It's currently at 400. I could push it a little bit below at 40, but yeah, I wanna trap this. I wanna bring this up to here. As soon as it moves down, I'll push it more down. I'm expecting it to move down. Let's see. It will break this trend. It broke this before. It'll break it. There's two resistance here. If you see this guy over here, then you see this guy here. So the first resistance is at 29. The second resistance is at 26. And after that, there's no resistance all the way till 807 or 806. So if it breaks this, it's a major dip. But if it doesn't break this, it'll go back up, and we'll still take profit and ride it out. It's not a problem. I'm gonna walk away from the laptop, from the computer, and not hover over this. So guys, it hit 25. We are currently at, you can see that, 450 profit. So I took profit from the two contracts. I might have to go drive again for Lyft, as I have a private client waiting for me as well. If it hits 35, I'm gonna take an exit. Honestly, I feel like today's low will be 27 or 25 was today's low, and it's not gonna go below that. And I called it before too, before it hit this area, but let's see how it pans out. And I'll take an exit at 35. On my friend's account, I took an exit at 23 something, I think. But yeah, this is it. Total profit, we are looking at $400. Actually, not $400. I took a two contract here. I'll let you know what the total profit is. So that was at 200 here, and I'm eating in some of my profit. I think $300 profit today. And yeah, not bad, not bad. roughly. Because this is still only 2 contracts in. I'm at 162 right now profit. So I had the other contract taken out at 24, and this I'll take out at 35. I'll just exit out once it hits 35. I just don't got time to sit in front of the trade and do all that. So since this is 160, 200, so maybe $350 profit. You know what? Let's just call it. Let's just exit out. That's fine. Done. Yep. It's roughly around 300 profit. If it goes down, it goes down. But I'm out. I just gotta go do other things now. Peace out. Bye bye.